America, a land of dreams, struggle, and revolution. But before the stars and stripes, before the founding fathers, this land was home to great civilizations, the Cherokee, the Lakota, the Iroquois, thriving for thousands of years before a single European set foot here. Then, in 1492, Columbus arrived and the world changed forever. Colonists came seeking fortune, freedom, and power. But with them came conflict, the clash of cultures, the fight for survival. By 1776, the colonies had had enough. No taxation without representation, they cried, and so the revolution began. Against all odds, farmers and rebels took on the mightiest empire in the world. The result? A new nation, the United States of America. But freedom was not for all. The 19th century saw America expand westward at a great cost. Indigenous nations were forced from their lands. The North and South stood divided over slavery. In 1861, war erupted, brother against brother, the Civil War. When the smoke cleared, slavery was abolished, but the scars remained. The 20th century saw America rise, a World War victor, a superpower, a nation landing on the moon. Yet, within, the fight for equality raged on. Civil rights, protests, change. America was, and still is, a nation shaped by struggle, resilience, and reinvention. From the past to the future, one thing is certain: America's story is still being written.